Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I want to share with you guys a Model X that we just finished customizing with a variety of things, starting off with wrapping the exterior. This Model X came to us originally in pearl white, and while that was a really nice color and quite popular over the years, this customer was ready for a whole new makeover, a whole new change. And we started off with Avery Dennison matte khaki green. This is a new color for us. We've never wrapped a Tesla in it, and I think it actually looks pretty good. Now, this customer had a vision, he had a theme, and T-Sportline made it a reality. Not only did we go ahead with this wrap, which is very military or outdoor or woodsy, call it whatever you like, it's a little bit nicer than the pearl white, I think we can all agree. And then we went ahead and did something that we haven't done for a while, and that is chrome delete. See, on the earlier Model X's, the V-line trim, the front and rear Tesla T, the trim around the windows, up underneath the side mirrors was all chrome back then. And chrome just does not go with matte khaki green. So we went ahead and did a satin black chrome delete. Satin and matte is actually a really nice combo, almost identical in the sheen, but we wanted to have a little bit more of that sheen on the trims, which is why we went with satin black as opposed to matte black. Now that all the chrome is gone, we wanted to address all the lower trims on the Model X. This area right here on the front bumper, the four wheel arches, up underneath the doors, the rear diffuser. All of those are textured plastic. And over the years, it just started to go ahead and tarnish. Some of the areas were stained. And because it's got that texture to it, you cannot wrap it. It won't stick, it will not adhere. So either you deal with it, get new pieces from Tesla, or bring it to T-Sportline to have all of it smoothed out, all the textures gone. And in the past, many a times we have painted it body color or primered it so that we could wrap it. This customer said, make it all satin black. And I said, wow, that's actually pretty cool, right? So all the lower trim is smooth now, no more texture. It's satin black, it ties in with the theme of the chrome delete. And then to bring it all together, a fresh set of wheels. Now this Model X came with 22-inch wheels and tires, and that's always been a popular look. He wanted to downsize all the way down to 19s. And yes, the T-Sportline TSS wheels, finished in satin black, do fit a Model X, and they come with these really cool Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. This tire actually has that off-road capabilities because it is all-terrain, and it just goes perfectly with the theme of the wrap, the theme of the chrome delete. And because this customer downsized all the way down to 19s, guess what? He's gonna have better range and better performance. Because they weigh less than the 22-inch wheels, and because we're downsizing on the Model X, it'll be less consumption on energy, your battery range will last longer, but more importantly for him, it was all about the look. So new wrap, chrome's gone, smoothed out painted lowers, new wheels and tires. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Nice transformation, something that we typically do not do at T-Sportline, but as I always say, there's always a first. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.